Buildings these days are getting really smart. I mean, we're moving into a whole new era of upping the quality of the building, and what we're doing right now, the asset lifecycle management program, I think, should be a basic staple for any company that wants to put in a fire suppression system. That's the way to manage that system. You have to have a baseline of it. You know, we got to watch. You know, is there degradation going on?
How fast is that degradation?
Exactly. Are there air pockets? Is there a way to redesign our fire suppression system so we can actually maybe manage the locations of air pockets, push them in a certain location so we can get them all out,
or maybe it's, you know, we know buildings settle after X amount of time. Is it 2 years, 3 years, whatever it is? We know that it finally settled into the ground. Obviously, the ground always changes, but with plates and all that. But as we know that building settles, okay, scan the system again. We need to identify, hey, if there's now air pockets there where there once wasn't, and you can do that based off a baseline.
Yeah, and you know, you bring a real interesting point up, and that is, you know, not everybody's into saving a nickel, a dime. They want quality.
Yeah.
And if you don't believe that, look at the clothes you wear, look at the cars you buy, look at the food you buy. You don't buy the cheapest stuff out there. You buy the stuff that you really want to wear and you want to buy or you want to ride, right? Look, people, if they could find a way in spending a little bit of money, like a double interlocking system on a dry system. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit more expensive, but boy, if you can leave that air, that whole air encapsulated system in place without letting any water in it, that's going to last you a long time, and you can still use a double interlocking system to do what you got to do to maintain it every other year or every year, right? Yeah. So I think there's better ways of designing these systems that will allow them to go further into the future. And I think, you know, selling these systems as a commodity, I think these guys got to move away from that. They need to sell solutions, long-term solutions for smart buildings, and that means more money. But more money doesn't mean you're going to lose the deal. It means you're going to do a better job at selling these infrastructures up front for the building, because when it's time to sell that building, they're going to get all that money back.